What if I told you that one drop, just one, could stop that slow oil leak, quiet that annoying engine noise, and make your tired old car feel brand new again? Sounds like snake oil, right? Well, it's not. And today, I'm going to show you a mechanic's secret weapon that could save you hundreds, maybe even thousands on repairs. This little bottle right here, it's called AT205 Reseal by ATP. And for DIYers and pro mechanics alike, it's like liquid gold. Seriously, if you've got small leaks, drying seals, or an engine that just feels tired, this stuff might be exactly what your ride needs. Look, I'm not saying it'll turn your '99 Civic into a Ferrari, but I am saying it might keep your Civic out of the junkyard. Here's what most people don't realize. Over time, the rubber seals in your engine dry out and shrink from heat and age. That's when the oil leaks start, the slipping transmission, the weird noises under the hood. Ignore it, and you're heading for costly repairs, or worse, a breakdown on the side of the highway. But here's where AT205 comes in. Unlike cheap stop leak products that use petroleum to swell the seals, basically faking the fix, AT205 actually restores them. It softens and reconditions the old rubber, bringing back flexibility without damaging it. No swelling, no sludge, no risk of clogging filters. It works with your existing fluids, engine oil, transmission fluid, power steering, you name it. So how do you use it? Simple. Pour it into the system that's leaking, engine, transmission, or power steering. Then, just drive like normal. Most people see results in just a few hours. Tougher seals? Give it a couple days. And the results? Let's just say, you might hear your car thank you. Now, this isn't a miracle cure. If your parts are broken, no liquid's going to glue them back together. But if you've got early stage leaks or aging seals, AT205 could be the smartest $15 you ever spend on your car. So if your ride's been leaving little oil gifts on the driveway or just running rough, give AT205 Reseal a shot. It might just be the miracle your engine's been waiting for. If this tip helps you dodge a repair bill, hit that like button. Subscribe to Auto Repair for more ways to outsmart the mechanic, and drop a comment if you've tried AT205 or have your own engine-saving story to share.